Welcome to lesson 3 on volume of solids. Today we are going to concentrate on getting the volume of a frustum. We are going to look at the volume of frustum of a cone, and also we will look at getting the volume of a frustum of a pyramid. I have a frustum of a cone sketched here. Looks like a bucket. The top radius is 6 centimeters and the bottom radius is 3 centimeters. The vertical height of the frustum is 12. So when you're given the vertical height, it is not like the slant height. So this is part of the vertical height of the cone. Let's see how you get that volume. The first thing you do is you complete the cone using some dotted lines. So you complete the cone such that now you are going to have two cones. You have this smaller cone, the one you have just drawn by completing, and you have the larger one now. So the volume of the frustum will be given by the difference of the volumes of the larger cone and the smaller cone. So you have to get the volume of the larger cone, and then you subtract, and also get the volume of the smaller cone, then you subtract to get the difference. We do not know the height of the smaller cone, neither do we know the height of the larger cone. We only know the height of the frustum. So let the height of the smaller cone be h. So from here up to here, that's h, small letter h. So the volume of the larger cone now will be 12 plus h. We know that the radius of the larger cone is 6 and the radius of the smaller cone is 6. So we are going to use similarity. 6/3 is the linear scale factor. It's also the same as the height of the larger cone, 12 plus h, divided by h. That is the height of a smaller cone. So if you cross multiply here, you will get 6h is equals to 36 plus 3h. Subtract, you get 3h. If you bring this 3 to the side, is equals to 36, and so h is equals to 12. So the height of this smaller cone is also 12. That means that the full height of the cone is 24, 12 plus 12. So just as we had done earlier, the volume of the larger cone will be a third times base area. Let's use pi 3.142 times the height 12. So do that. You will get your answer as 904.896. Then the volume of the smaller cone will be again a third times 3 squared times the same pi. Don't mix two pi's in the same question. Multiply by height. Sorry, this was supposed to be height 24. Sorry for that, because the height of the big cone is 24, not 12. 12 is a smaller one. So work that out, but I think the answer is still 904.896. When you work this other one, you'll get 113.112. Now to get the volume now of the frustum, we get the difference. 904.896 minus 113.113. So 112. And our answer is going to be 791.784 cubic centimeters. This is the most important part, the part where you are using similarity. So take note of that. We use similarity. Sometimes you might be given a slant edge, the slant height. You still use similarity and you get the question correct. Let's look at an example of a frustum of a pyramid. I want to sketch one. It's just a sketch, not really very accurate. So if you have such a frustum of a pyramid, again you are given the height of that frustum as 8. It's a square base. Here I have 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters for the top. Just as we did with the cone, we complete. So we complete such that we have 2 pyramids. We have the top small pyramid and now the full pyramid. So the height of this small pyramid is h. Just as we did with this other one, we have 3/2 is equals to, which is the linear scale factor, is equals to 8 plus h over h, cross multiply. So you get 3h is equals to 16 plus 2h, and so h is equals to 16. So this height here is 16. And so the height of the full pyramid now is 16 plus 8, which is 24. That's a coincidence. It doesn't mean that for all volumes you do for both frustum and pyramid will be 24. It's just a coincidence. The two figures or solids have the same height. So you just move on, as we have done here. Move on and calculate the volume of the larger pyramid, whose height is 24, and the base is a square measuring 3 by 3. And also get the volume of the small pyramid, which we have completed, the imaginary one. The height is 16, and the base is also a square, length 2. Then you get the difference of the two. So you can complete that question and see whether you get an answer. So I think the answer will be around 50.67. See whether that is what you will get. But it's going to be the volume of the larger pyramid, a third times 3 times 3 times 24. You get the answer there. Then the volume of the smaller pyramid, a third times 2 times 2 times 16. Then the answers you get here, you subtract and see whether you will get that answer. So that's how you get the frustum of, the volume of a frustum of a cone and a pyramid. Thank you very much. Practice more, do an exercise on the same.